lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 romantic ponytails that you can recreate in minutes, and these will be perfect for those with longer or medium hair. So we'll begin with our first ponytail. We want to select our crown section, tie it using a clear elastic. Then we want to select 2 sections from underneath, bring them up like I'm showing, crisscross them and tie them underneath using a clear elastic. For our next ponytail, we want to divide into 2 all our hair, and we want to tie them, creating 2 low ponytails using a clear elastic. Then you want to make an opening through each of these ponytails and bring the ponytails through this opening up like that. Then you want to bring together our Topsy tails and tie them using a clear elastic. Now you want to wrap a strand of hair from underneath around the elastic to hide it, and tuck it into the elastic to secure it and hide it as well. For our third hairstyle, we want to select our underneath section and tie with it a low ponytail like I'm showing. Then releasing our top section, we want to select 2 sections from both sides of our parting and tie them both together in the back. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and repeat. So we want to select again 2 sections from both sides of our parting and tie them over our crown ponytail. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair on our top section. Then you want to gather all your hair together and tie it using a clear elastic. Again, select a section from underneath and wrap it around your ponytail to secure it and tuck it into the elastic underneath like that. For our last hairstyle, again we want to select our underneath section, create a ponytail with it using a clear elastic. Then releasing your top section, you want to grab a small section from our crown, divide it into 3 and begin a super simple Dutch braid. So basically you crisscross under the middle one your side sections. Then before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side sections before crossing under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add to our Dutch braid. Then you want to tie it using a clear elastic, make an opening through this braid and bring your underneath ponytail through this opening. You want to pull a little bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous looking, and your romantic braided ponytail is ready. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Love you guys, see you soon in my next video. Bye.